60 million once roamed North America. By the 1880s, fewer than 1,000 remained. National Bison Month in July honors the American bison, the continent's largest land mammal and a near-extinction story. Systematic slaughter for hides, combined with deliberate campaigns to deprive indigenous peoples of their primary food source, reduced the population from an estimated 60 million to under 1,000 by the 1880s. Conservation efforts have since brought numbers back to roughly 500,000. The conservation calendar surrounds it. World Giraffe Day is June 21. Shark Awareness Day is July 14, and American Eagle Day was June 20, a summer of wildlife worth fighting for. Learn about a bison conservation project near you and visit nationaltoday.com. What wildlife comeback story inspires you most?